I'm going to show you how you can turn your PC into a Bitcoin mining machine that will generate passive income for you 24/7. This is the Magic Miner. At first glance, you might have mistaken it for a graphics card, a regular GPU, and I would not blame you for it because it looks just like one, and it's actually designed that way on purpose. It's designed that way so it can fit right into your existing PC. That is slotting it into the motherboard, powering it from your PC's power supply, and getting you set up and mining and generating Bitcoin. It's compact, it's quiet, it's very low power, and it just fits right in to your existing setup. Now, Bitcoin is the best performing asset of all time, and machines like this give you the opportunity to get involved and turn, well, your existing gaming PC into a Bitcoin mining machine. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. First, let's take a look at what's in the box. You'll get a manual to guide you with the setup, which is really simple. If you know how to install a GPU, then you already know how to install a Magic Miner to generate Bitcoin. After that, you'll see the Magic Miner itself. It's shaped like the GPUs we've all come to know. It includes a display, which we'll get to see more of shortly, a Wi-Fi antenna, or Ethernet actually if you prefer to hardwire your internet connection, and then two familiar looking fans, again just like a GPU, to keep it running nice and cool to perform at its best. Installation of the Magic Miner could not be easier. To install it, all you gotta do is find an empty PCIe slot on your computer's motherboard, slot in the Magic Miner just like a GPU, and screw it securely into place. Next, all you gotta find is a single 8-pin PCIe connection coming from your power supply, and then just plug that right into the open slot on the Magic Miner. The miner itself only uses about 140 watts, which means it takes so much less power than today's power-hungry modern GPUs. Turn your PC back on, and once it boots up, you'll see the display illuminate on the Magic Miner. It will instruct you that it's created its own Wi-Fi network that you can connect to with your mobile phone or your computer. This will allow you to configure the Magic Miner so you can connect to your own wireless internet. Once it connects to your internet, the miner will now show a IP address on the screen. You can type that IP address into any URL bar to get back to the dashboard of the Magic Miner. In the dashboard, you're going to see a lot, including some advanced options if you like to tinker and overclock your Magic Miner to see if you get more performance. But what we need to do first is configure our mining pool so we can get up and get started mining. Actually, we need to rewind a bit because you might not have a Bitcoin address yet, and that's a really important part of being a Bitcoin miner. So this is where you're going to get paid once this machine generates Bitcoin. So I think the easiest way to get a Bitcoin address is to use the website Coinbase. This is what I do. I'll have a link in the description. If you need one, you can click on there, create an account. And then once you do, just head over to the Bitcoin asset, click receive, and click on new receiving address. And if that's your first Bitcoin address, well, congratulations and welcome to the party. Now, you actually have two options to mine Bitcoin with this Magic Miner. One will allow you to generate Bitcoin every day, and you'll get paid to your Bitcoin address that you generated with Coinbase. This is what I personally do. From there, you can keep your Bitcoin on Coinbase. You can convert it to your native currency and transfer it to your bank account, or you can even trade it for other cryptocurrencies that are on Coinbase. But if you want to test your luck, you can actually try solo mining, which is like entering to win the lottery. Instead of sharing the Bitcoin rewards daily with everyone else mining, you can go against them to see if you are lucky enough to solve a Bitcoin block first yourself, and that would be worth over $300,000. If you actually like to see what the chances are, what your odds would be, I have a video where I calculated all that. I'll leave it linked up in the card above for you to check out. CK Pool is what I use for solo mining. I'll have a link for that down in the video description below. But if you'd like to join me and mine to get more consistent rewards, sign up at Via BTC, a mining pool where you can monitor your Magic Miner's performance and profit and have the payouts sent over to Coinbase. I'll have a link for Via BTC down in the video description below, but let me show you how simple it is to set up on the Magic Miner. Once you signed up for your account on Via BTC, you'll just copy the mining pool address and paste it into your Magic Miner's dashboard along with the name of your account and whatever you'd like the worker name for your Magic Miner to be. I'm going to use Magic. On Via BTC, be sure to set up withdrawal with the Bitcoin address you made in Coinbase so that when the pool pays you out, that Bitcoin is transferred safely from the mining pool directly to your Coinbase account. And that's it. The Magic Miner is now set up and mining and will continue to generate Bitcoin for you 24/7 as long as your PC is on. And you'll be able to monitor the performance of the Magic Miner on that really cool integrated display. It'll show you the hash rate, fan speed, the temperature, and the current power that it is pulling to mine. And as it rotates through, it's also going to show you the price of Bitcoin in this current moment. It's definitely an argument for getting your PC up on your desk so you can check that out all the time. If you'd like to learn more or pick one up yourself, head down and click the link in the video description and the pinned comment. Now, the big question is, how much Bitcoin will this actually generate per day? It's pretty easy to figure that out. We're going to head over to miningnow.com and get just that information. So first thing we need to do is enter the hash rate for the Magic Miner, which is 7 terahash. After that, we can enter the power consumption, which is 140 watts. Now, one thing that I've done here is I've left my power rate at 0, but if you'd prefer to see how much profit this will make over your electricity costs, you can tweak that here yourself. I'm just worried about overall revenue. Breaking that down, you can see daily, this will take home 40 cents in Bitcoin, monthly about $12 in Bitcoin, and then yearly about $144 in Bitcoin. Well, that may not seem like a lot. Remember, this is passive income, and we are very much speculating on the price of Bitcoin to continue to go up in the future. And we get to do that with this cool piece of tech. Some of the first Bitcoin I mined with my PC was worth only $8 at the time, and today that same Bitcoin is worth $300. So the question is, how much will the Bitcoin that this Magic Miner mines today be worth in the future? And this is where I just have to pause, because people will continue to be super negative about that low value of Bitcoin in dollars. And like, just time and time again, they're proven wrong as the years travel on. I mean, looking back at me all those years ago, that was such a low value of Bitcoin. But all these years later, oh my God, am I so glad that I decided to mine Bitcoin with my gaming PC at the time. And whether this is that cool piece of tech that gets you involved, this Magic Miner here, another cryptocurrency mining machine, or you just go buy Bitcoin, it's all about getting involved. And it is never too late to get involved in Bitcoin. The only people that are too late are the ones that never show up. Thanks for checking out the video. I know we covered quite a bit, so I'll have links for everything down in the video description below. That'll include links for the Magic Miner, via BTC, CK Pool, and Coinbase, and anything else that we covered in this video, or I think that would be helpful to all of you. And if you want to get a little bit deeper and explore some more in Bitcoin mining and see a crazy Bitcoin miner that heats your house, it's actually shaped like a baseboard heater. I'm going to leave a link to that video on the screen right here. And then, you can actually mine Bitcoin as well with your graphics card in your PC along with the Magic Miner, and I'll have a video linked on the screen right here so you can get started in doing that. Otherwise, please take care of yourself and each other, and I'll see you in one of those videos.